In the transportation pathways, there's auto service and auto collision. On any given day, we could be working on an alignment, on a brake rotor, or we can be doing tire rotations, or we can be balancing tires.
Why a student would want to sign up for this pathway is that it could get you a career in the future in the automotive services.
This type of pathway, you can get into working at a dealership, being service writer, being in the parts department, also going into master tech, intro, a lube tech, anything you basically want.
You could become an engineer in a car company like Porsche, Lamborghini.
A good interest in the pathway would be like to rebuild stuff, like to take things apart, also like to replace a lot of stuff that could be worn or broken. Also like to diagnose stuff and find the problem on what could be the problem or what could happen if this problem happened.
Something interesting about this pathway before I got into it is that I didn't know there's a lot of parts on cars. There are a ton of parts you have to learn, and there's a lot of tools you have to learn how to use.
I love this pathway because it's something I can put my interest into, not just in the auto service department here, but also outside of school. Maybe if I want to go into this job in the trade, or if I want to go to a trade school, anything I would like to do.
If this looks cool or interesting to you, I would say go for it because you can get a really good job out of it, and I would say it's really worth it.